G'day folks, this is another S Group Daily Review video number 99. Getting to 100 there, pretty close. So, got some earnings last night that came in. I didn't get a chance to do a video, so I have a chance now. So, 0.31%. A little bit lower earning day, but I was able to get in 55.24. But nonetheless, I was able to get a referral bonus from one of my members. One of his investments expired and the earnings auto reinvested, so I got 44.94 that came in, so that was real nice. So guys, as you know, going to my investments here so you guys can see how I'm doing. So out of 9 days I made 215.84 plus 50.04, so about 265 or so I have in there. And yeah guys, so 23,000, about 860. That's when I'm getting close to 24,000 guys, which is real nice. So growing my account, going to be at 24,000 real soon, and then on to 25,000, which is the next tier, guys. I can't wait to see that flip over to 80-20%. They're actually doing a bunch of updates since last week in the system. So if you scroll down, you can kind of see we don't have the combine feature available right now. They speaking to the higher ups, and they said it's going to be in 2 weeks from last week, so it should be back next week, which will allow us to combine the investments, merge them together, and the earnings. I'm going to go up to here, and then we'll be able to access those funds, which is what I've been doing in my previous videos, guys. So that's something that'll come back, and they've also implemented a 5% annual fee, which actually says right here. So annual installment service fee deduction date. So that'll be February of next year, it looks like, for mine. So that won't come for a while, guys. But yeah, so that 5% of your total deposit. So in this example, my big chunk here is 23,200. So the annual deposit fee for that would be 1,160, which will be February of next year. I'm not sure. I'm not entirely sure if that amount will grow or if it'll just stay the same. I'm not sure how they're going to be doing it, but we'll see when that time comes around. They're still in the process of doing updates, guys. So we have to be patient. We have to know that the updates that they're doing is going to be good for the long-term existence of the company. So that's why they're doing these updates, which is really great. They also updated this as well, daily, monthly total, that was added. And then the package number and the date of the start of the package, which mine here was February the 11th. So yeah, guys, so got some really great updates here. And soon more to come, which is great. Of course, they brought the graph back. I remember the graph was gone for about a month, and they brought that back, which is nice. So they're constantly doing changes and updates, guys. Apparently, they want to get into real estate as well. They're going to open up a real estate wing of these four that they have currently, which is S4X, S Pharmaceutical, SIPO, and Liquidity Mining. They want to get into real estate. So that'll be great, guys. But for now, I'm just focusing on Forex. I want to get my Forex account up to 25,000, which, like I said, I'll get to the next tier, the second to highest tier. And just, yeah, guys, like once I get to that tier, I'm going to be making an average of $5 to $10 extra per day, because I'm going to be getting an extra 5% bump there. And also with the careers page, the team bonuses, they've updated those tiers as well, which allow people to get more bonuses as time goes on. So a lot of updates, guys, but I want to let you know in this video number 99, great things are going to be coming ahead in the near future for S Group. And yeah, so I'm getting near the end of my 5-minute daily review video. Don't forget, there's a sign up link to join S Group down below. And yeah, you can join my team, and I'll walk you through everything. Shoot me an email if you have any questions. It's in the description down below. And also, don't forget to click on the sign up link down below so you can sign up to my team, and also hit the subscribe button. so you can subscribe to my channel and see all my updates. All right, see you guys in the next video. Take care.